Cyber attacks are one of the greatest financial and security risks that companies face in the 21st century. Hackers pose an ever-evolving risk to businesses as they seem to be always one step ahead. Many software vulnerabilities and their solutions have been around for a long time. Despite that, they still get written into modern software code over and over again. Hackers know how to exploit these weak points and will stop at nothing to do so. Most companies rely on automated security tools and processes, but these are incomplete solutions. Human developers are needed to detect and solve these vulnerabilities, but more importantly, to prevent code flaws in the first place. 95% of cybersecurity breaches are still caused by human error. One reason is that less than 1% of software developers worldwide have received a formal certificate in secure coding. Code security often gets overlooked in order to deliver software faster. Programmers are including the same vulnerabilities in software over and over again because companies struggle to create cultures of cybersecurity on the developers level. Encouraging continuous upskilling is also a common difficulty. The only sustainable way of thinking is to keep one eye on product UX and functionality and the other one firmly on cybersecurity aspect of the code in order to future-proof their businesses. Code security is a business imperative, and the most secure and cost-effective way is to invest in secure coding training for your developers. On average, businesses can save $4.24 million by avoiding a data breach, and that's only the financial damage. Coding is also a craftsmanship that needs to be practiced to be perfected. Not only does CydrillSergeant's award-winning e-learning environment equip your developers with the secure coding expertise they need to beat hackers at their own game, it also lets them improve these skills continuously. CydrillSergeant trains your developers to think like hackers using hands-on lab exercises, gamified practice, and real-world scenarios which put all the theory into action. CydrillSergeant's gamified learning environment transforms secure coding training into a fun and engaging team sport that encourages developers to work together as a unit and gives coding confidence to your first line of digital defense with appropriate feedback of their progress. CydrillSergeant's e-learning environment is cloud-based and available on demand, so your team can start learning as quickly and efficiently as possible. Labs and drills take place in your developers' natural habitat. We'll manage virtualized environments for them so they can use their familiar development tools without any hassle. CydrillSergeant is hands-on. It promotes learning in the flow of work. The drills keep your team of developers up to date with the most current security risks while adapting to your business's needs. Developer-friendly, our e-learning courses are put in a familiar environment, ideal for developers to perfect their skills and caters for businesses' needs flexibly. Team-oriented, we help developers achieve their goals together whilst playfully engaging individuals with the team sport nature of secure coding. Developers are often treated as the last line of defense in an organization. It's time to make them your first.